Okay, welcome back to the new example based on changing the order of integration. Before we have discussed 3 to 4 examples. There we have integrated by the help of order of integration already. By the help of order of integration. As per the given order, just look at this example. As per the given order, we have to integrate first with respect to y, then with respect to x. First y, then x. As you people already aware, we have note 1, note 2, note 3. Note 1 is if the limit containing the variable x, it corresponds to y. The other should be what? X value is the note 1. What is the note 2? Which one integrated first? Either we have to integrate x or y first. So first we are going to integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x, as per the given example. Next, by changing the order of integration, what we need to do? The changing the order means you have to change the reverse order. dy becomes dx, dx becomes dy. So then how to evaluate this or how to do this procedure? To make this, first we have to draw a figure associated with the definite integrals. Just look at, first we are going to write the existence reason here. You people already aware that integration means an area. Integration means an area. How area will look here? Existence reason. What is the existence reason is, as per the given, x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. What does x equal to 0 to x equal to 1 stands for? X equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. What is x equal to 0? Equation of, please repeat, equation of y-axis. This is called x equal to 0, equation of y-axis. X equal to 1 is somewhere here. This is x equal to 1. You people already aware how to draw a graph, right? This is x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. You are going to write. That point itself is called the line. And a distance 1 from y-axis. This is called horizontal strip. Horizontal strip. Horizontal strip means horizontal, and left to right is called horizontal, lower to upper is called vertical. This is left to right. Just remember in this manner. Okay. Existence reason, horizontal is x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. What is vertical strip? Y is equal to x to y is equal to 1. What is y is equal to x? Y is equal to x is the line which will bisect the first quadrant. First quadrant na ardha cut madade y is equal to x line. Yavadu? Y is equal to x is the line. Actually it makes an angle 45 degree. 45 degree means exactly it will bisect. Okay. So this represent what? Y is equal to x. And where is y is equal to 1? Y is equal to 1 is the line parallel to x axis. This is called y is equal to 1. Okay, what is y is equal to 1? Y is equal to 1 is the line parallel to x axis and which is above x axis. If it is a negative, it is below x axis. Hope you understand this. Okay, so now you have to identify, this is called what? Vertical strip or vertical reason. Okay, now just look at carefully. Left to right. What is left to right? Left is x equal to 0, right is x equal to 1. Left to right. What is lower portion? Lower portion is what? This is lower portion and this is called upper portion. This is lower and this is upper. You include all four sides, that is left to right, lower to upper, then this will become the area. Hope you are following. I think this figure finds you easy, isn't it? ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಯದ? ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಜಾಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡೀನಿ, ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನದ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಐ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಿಗರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. x equal to 0 means equation of y-axis. X equal to 1 is line parallel to y-axis, a distance 1 from y-axis. This is x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. This is equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, but y is equal to 0 is not there here. So y is equal to x is the line parallel, so it is bisects the first quadrant. Lower, upper portion is y is equal to 1. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾವು ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ changing the order of what? Integration. On changing the order of integration, the given integral becomes, look at carefully, this is x divided by square root of x square plus y square. As it is, you need to write dy by dx, dx by dy. This is called changing the order. On changing the order, you have to write the limits. You have to write the limits. Previously it was y, now it will become x. Previously it was x, now it will become y. Students ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೇನಾಗ್ತದ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೌ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಲೋವರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ರೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ x equal to 1. Lower means y value. Lower means y value. Lower means y value. Lower to upper is y value. Now we have to write in the reverse order. Left to right become lower to upper. Lower to upper become left to right now. So for that purpose, just concentrate. Here the constant limit become a variable limit. The variable limit becomes constant limit. One should be a constant, another one should be a variable limit. So now I am writing, you can confirm very easily. Now since it is x equal to 0 to 1, left to right, I am writing lower to upper. What is lower portion here? Lower portion is y is equal to 0 and I am writing y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. I will write one more figure for understanding more. X axis and y axis. I am writing, what does it represent? Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. What does it calculate? It calculates area between these two lines. What does it calculate? It will calculate area between these two lines. If both lines are extended infinitely, then it will calculate the area between infinite area. So therefore, what the second limit restrict is, don't calculate total area. You don't calculate total area. So I don't want total area. What is the left side start with? Left side start with where? x equal to 0, where does it end? Where does it end here? This is left side, right? Right side, what is the right side, student? This is the right side. Lower to upper, left side to, this is the right side. What is right side value? What is the right side value? Y is equal to x. I want to write in terms of x, what is x value? Y. Look at the same figure I am explaining once again. Left to right. Left to right means ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅದು ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನೇನು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡು, ಮುಗೀತು. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಲೋವರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಲೋವರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೋವರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? y equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚಾಲು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಯರ್? x equal to 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? x equal to y ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So these are the limits. By changing the order of integration, now we can evaluate very easily. First we have to integrate with respect to what? X. Integrate with respect to x. Integrate y is equal to 0 to 1. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ. Denominator containing y value. So for that purpose, what we are using is, we are using the substitution method here. Substitute x square plus y square is equal to some t. Look at, we are integrating with respect to x. We are integrating with respect to x. What about y becomes constant? Y becomes constant. Y becomes constant. So now differentiate it. Differentiation of x square is dx, 2x dx. Y is a constant 0. T becomes dt. So what about x dx value? X dx value is dt by 2. Now I am changing the limits. Limits when lower limit x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, what is the value of t? T becomes y square. When x is equal to y, when x is equal to y, y square plus y square, what is the value of t? 2y square. So therefore the new values becomes, new variable is t now. T varies from where to where? Y square to 2y square. What is x dx value? X dx value is dt by 2 divided by square root of x square plus y square is taken as t into dy. Okay, now can you tell me, here 1 by 2 is taken it as outside. Okay, what is remaining here? 1 by root t. You people already know that. What is the differentiation of root x? Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, isn't it? So this 2 comes here, right? 1 by 2 root x. We'll go reverse order. Integration of 1 by 2 root x is root x only. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Integration of 1 by 2 root x is root x. So it is in terms of t. If you don't know means, what you need to do is, this is 1 by root t. 1 by root t means t raised to 1 by 2. T raised to 1 by 2 goes to numerator. It will become t raised to minus 1 by 2, isn't it? Into dt. You can write twice, which is y runs from 0 to 1 and t runs from y square to 2y square into dy. What I have done? Root t is t raised to 1 by 2, t raised to 1 by 2 goes to numerator, t raised to minus 1 by 2. Everything is same. I have taken 1 by 2 only outside. Now integrate it. Y runs from 0 to 1. Integration of t raised to minus 1 by 2 is t raised to minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Between the limits, t is equal to y square to 2y square into dy. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Now which is 1 by 2 times of y runs from 0 to 1. T raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? Which is root t. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? 1 ಅರ್ಧ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಅರ್ಧ. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Between the limits, y square to 2y square into dy. This 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Y runs from 0 to 1. Upper limit is 2y square minus lower limit is y square. Upper limit is t is replaced by 2y square minus y square into dy. This is y runs from 0 to 1. Root 2 y square. Root 2 y square can be written as root 2 into y. Isn't it? Root 2 into y square. Root 2 into y square can be written as root 2 into root y square. Root y square is what? Y only. Can make it separate. So minus this is y into dy. What is common in these two? Y. What is constant? Root 2 minus 1 into y, right? Y runs from 0 to 1 into dy. Take root 2 minus 1 is a constant outside. Integration of y is y square by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. So root 2 minus 1 into upper limit is what? 1 square by 2 minus 0 by 2. How much its value? Root 2 minus 1 divided by 1 by 2. That is 2 only. The final answer is root 2 minus 1 divided by 2. You please ask at least one question in this example. I am very grateful if you ask the question. Thank you.